Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, it is going to be about the top of the best coffee grinders in 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we have the Baratza Virtuoso Plus. This Baratza Virtuoso Plus is an updated version of the Baratza Virtuoso, one of the industry's favorite coffee grinders for the past 2 decades. It is an automatic burr grinder, and the most impressive feature of this Baratza Virtuoso Plus is its exceptional motor and the burr design. It features 40mm stainless steel burrs powered by a 550 RPM motor, and also has a digital display and timer, making grinding even easier than before. Its 40 grind settings ranges from 200 to 1200 microns, making it suitable for every brewing style apart from Turkish coffee and cold brew. And finally, for usage, you can turn the dial on the front to select the grind time to use the grinder. And once done, you can press the dial to start the grinder, which will automatically stop after the programmed time. Next is the Bodum Bistro. This Bodum Bistro is another automatic burr coffee grinder that comes on a budget price tag. It has a colorful, modern design with a static-free borosilicate glass container and a rubberized grip to catch and safely transfer the grounds while preventing jumping coffee grounds. And when it comes to its performance, with 35mm stainless steel conical burr grinders and a 720 RPM motor, this Bistro burr grinder can consistently crush beans between stainless steel conical burrs while preserving the beans' intrinsic flavor and aroma. You will get 12 adjustable grind settings to go from espresso to French press with ease, while its preset timer will allow you to grind the exact amount of coffee needed, keeping beans fresh and preserving waste. And finally, for cleaning, its grinding ring, coffee bean container, and ground coffee container are all removable for fuss-free cleaning. Next is Porlex Mini. When it comes to the best manual option, you can never go wrong with this Porlex Mini. It is one of the most well-regarded travel-sized hand grinders. By design, it has a stainless steel body with a detachable handle and a rubber grip that can store the hand crank. And for the size, it comes in the height of just 5 inches. It can grind around 20 grams of coffee in a single batch, equating to 1 to 2 cups of coffee. And for the burr quality, like other entry-level hand grinders, this Porlex Mini also uses a set of ceramic conical burrs with a wide range that can grind from powder to French press. Finally, for cleaning, it's not difficult to clean as all its parts can be removed and washed, including the inner burr set. Next up, we have the Fellow Ode. This Fellow Ode is a single-dose automatic burr grinder that is designed specifically to grind pour-over and drip coffee. By design, it comes in a compact size and has an aesthetic appeal that will turn your countertop into a barista's coffee corner. And featuring a large burr, it can provide a consistent grind and fast grind speed, with an output of 3.5 grams per second. You will get 11 settings and 31 steps in between to easily adjust the Ode's coffee bean grind settings. Like you can use the low setting to get the perfect consistency and fineness for your morning pour over. Or you can go for a more coarse grind to make a rich, robust French press or cold brew. In addition to these, it also has a grinds knocker, which helps clear any grinds retained in the chute, while its magnetic catch can help hold the ground bin during grinding and eliminate any mess, if any. Lastly, we have the Cuisinart DBM8. This Cuisinart burr grinder is another best option you can get at an affordable price. By design, it is small and compact that won't take up much counter space. And when it comes to its performance, its elegant brushed stainless steel Cuisinart burr mill boasts 18 levels to grind your coffee beans, from ultra fine to extra coarse. With an automatic stop, your beans will be guaranteed to be consistently ground to the right grade, maximizing their oils, aromas, and flavors for a better cup of coffee. And coming to its capacity, it can grind enough coffee to make about 4 to 18 cups and store any remaining grounds in the chamber as well. Speaking of which, The plastic bean hopper that comes with the Cuisinart DBM8 coffee grinder is made from plastic and is removable with a capacity of 8 ounces, while the grinding chamber is also made of plastic and can hold 32 cups of coffee. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.